Welcome to Sunday Morning Builds, and we're getting into a line of brickheads that are quite exciting. They're licensed products, and this week it is from Toy Story, Buzz Lightyear. Brickheads number 158, set number 40552. I really like the look of this set. I think getting into these more playful characters is a wonderful thing for Lego to do. It's this set, however, only comes with 114 pieces, so would be one of the smaller sets, single brickhead sets. 114 pieces, so I think this is going to be a quick build, but it looks fantastic. And as you can see on the back here, Woody and Bo Peep are also in the range for the Toy Story brickheads, so they will also be coming up in future weeks, maybe even next week. So if you like and subscribe to this content, please, well, I should say if you like this content, please like and subscribe and follow along. That would be appreciated. So a speed build as normal. I'll unpack this and we'll get into the speed build and then come back for the review. Hope to see you soon. Welcome back, and thanks for hanging around. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and don't forget to put on the notifications as well. So here we have the Disney Pixar Toy Story Buzz Lightyear brickheads number 158, set number 40552. And this is a fantastic looking set, very different to normal brickheads, obviously off the character of Buzz Lightyear. Printed piece here, the front of the spacesuit, the wings, nice way of creating the wings. There's really not much else to look at with this set. However, there's something that's a little bit, I'm uncertain why they did it the way they did it. So if you can hear that, there's some moving pieces in there, but I'm uncertain why they exist. So if I take off the head, and here we have 4 pieces, 2 upside down and 2 regular way up. And I just don't know why they did that. It serves no purpose to my knowledge and understanding. Just really odd. So anyway, maybe it's about that toy feature and having something that shakes or rattles, or something that's playable. So very, very odd. But anyway, that's how they've done it, and I thought that would be worthwhile pointing out. So as I mentioned earlier, 114 pieces, that was all. This was a 10-minute build, so not much to it, but a fantastic looking brickhead to add to the collection. So really not much else to say apart from that. I look forward to delivering Woody and Bo Peep in the near future to add to the Toy Story collection of these brickheads. So thanks for hanging around and watching, and hopefully you can tune in next week or so. Bye for now.